Hi, my name is Leah Simmons. I'm a Pilates teacher, a Kundalini yoga teacher and personal trainer. Currently, I'm 28 weeks pregnant with my second child. My morning starts with the sunrise, I'll do my practice, and then it's time to get my son ready for school. So my personal beauty routine needs to be quick. Having grown up on Bondi Beach under the Australian sun, I had it drilled into me by my mother about how important SPF is. So the first product I like to use is the Mecca Cosmetica Mineral Gel Cream, the SPF 30. It's formulated for sensitive skin and it's sulfate and paraben free, which is really important to me. It feels more like a moisturizer rather than a really heavy sunscreen, so it's really beautiful to put on. I like to put it down my neck as well and onto my décolletage to protect those areas because they're also prone to acne. And also the back of the neck is really important because it's always exposed. So next up, I want to have a little bit of coverage on my face, but I don't want to have a heavy foundation. So I love the Mecca Cosmetica In a Good Light Tinted Moisturiser. It also has the SPF 30 in it. It's really light, it's really hydrating, and it's really dewy. It gives my skin a really beautiful glow. So it's got pomegranate extract and vitamin E as well, which is so great antioxidant-wise for the skin. So the final skincare step is the lips. I love the Mecca Cosmetica Lip Glide. It's got an SPF 15. It's really sheer, it's very hydrating, but it protects your lips from the elements. This one has got a little pink tint in it, which I love, and it just feels luscious on my lips. So if I'm leaving the house, I'll just grab a little bit of brow gel, a little bit of highlighter, a little bit of bronzer, and then I'm out of here. And that's me done. After I've dropped my son off to school, I head straight back down to Bondi to my favourite little cafe, Cali Press, grab my bulletproof coffee, my smoothie, and then it's down onto the promenade for a little walk along Bondi Beach.